Welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can configure your Git Bash command line interface. As you saw in the last tutorial, we managed to create this file using our Git Bash that we installed on the PC. Then remember, you can click on the file that you want to use as your working directory, or click anywhere that you want to start your project from. So I'm just going to click on the desktop and I say Git Bash here. So there are two options that they give you. They give you the graphical user interface, so the Git GUI here, and also the Git Bash here. So we are going to be using Git Bash for the sake of this tutorial, because I want you guys to get used to the command line interface. So I'm just going to select Git Bash here. And when you do that, they are going to show you that you're on the desktop. So if you want to see the path where you are currently, just type pwd, so it's print working directory, press enter, and they will show you the root directory of where you started your project from. So right now we're on the desktop, so you can right clear to clear all that out. As I said, we are going to be configuring this command line interface to our username and email. The reason why we do this is when you commit changes, you have to let other guys know who made these changes. Let's say me personally, I make changes, I save them. Then when you come on the PC and you're trying to see who made these commits or who saved these changes, then you'll be able to see the person who did that by looking at their name and email. Now let us get started. To configure this command line interface to your information, just write git, then config -- global, then user.name, and the name that I'm going to put in, open double quotes, just going to write Oston code Cypher. So this is the name that I want Git to save. Press enter, and then for the email, we are going to write the same command, changing only the user.name to email. So git config -- global user.email, open our double quotes. I'm just going to write admin at, so you put your email at code.com. So that's my email. Press enter, and that will be the information that other guys will be seeing when they are checking your commits or changes. And to check that information that you have entered in, just write git config, then -- list. Press enter, and when you have to check at the bottom, you will see user.name and user.email, and that's the information that you entered in. So whenever you commit changes, then those commits will be bearing this information. So Oston Code Cypher made this commit with this email. So guys, I hope this tutorial was useful to you, and the shortcut for checking this configuration information, let us first write clear, then you can just write the shortcut git config, then -l. So the other one was -- list, and this is the shorthand, so -l, and you'll be able to see that information. So as you can see, there's a lot that you can change, but now that's out of the scope of this tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys how you can save in your name and email, so that whenever you make changes or commits, then they will be bearing your information. So Oston Code Cypher made this commit, Oston Code Cypher deleted this file. So I hope guys this tutorial was useful to you. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will always see you in the next tutorial. Peace.